Why has Russia's Screwdriver cruise missile suddenly caught the world's attention? In recent months, Russia has reportedly been using the land-launched 9M729 cruise missile to strike targets in Ukraine, raising serious concerns on the international stage. In fact, the existence of this missile previously prompted the United States to withdraw from the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces, or INF Treaty, in 2019. So, what exactly makes this Screwdriver missile so frightening? Let's dive deeper. Russia continues to assert its dominance through the development and deployment of advanced weapon systems. One shining star in their arsenal is the 9M729 cruise missile, identified by NATO as the SSC-8 Screwdriver. This missile is not just an ordinary weapon, it is a manifestation of Russian engineering ingenuity designed to deliver unmatched precision and power on the modern battlefield. Since last August, the SSC-8 Screwdriver missile has demonstrated its capabilities on the front lines, with 23 recorded launches in Ukraine. Even in 2022, 2 launches of this missile were reported, showing its operational consistency and reliability. Most strikingly, a report from a military source circulated in the media on October 5th of this year revealed that one SSC-8 Screwdriver missile successfully flew 1,200 kilometers before hitting its target in Ukraine with deadly accuracy. If this report is accurate, it is not just a statistic, but a clear confirmation that the SSC-8 Screwdriver can exceed the range limits of the now-defunct INF Treaty. This serves as tangible evidence of Russian design and engineering superiority, unrestrained by outdated limitations. Russia has long emphasized that the SSC-8 Screwdriver represents a significant evolution from its predecessor, the 9M728 or SSC-7 Southpaw, which has also been used effectively against Ukraine. Russia proudly claims that the SSC-8 features a far superior guidance system and a larger warhead, making it a deadlier threat. Although physically longer and heavier, Russia cleverly argues that its operational range is shorter, a claim likely intended to deflect international criticism, yet field evidence suggests otherwise. The new transporter erector launcher for the SSC-8 can carry 4 missiles, doubling the payload capacity compared to the older vehicle, which could fire only 2 SSC-7 missiles before needing to reload. This increased capacity not only enhances Russia's striking power, but also provides greater tactical flexibility, allowing them to conduct sustained attacks with higher efficiency. The 9M729, or SSC-8 Screwdriver, developed by Russia's NPO Novator Design Bureau, is an advanced ground attack cruise missile capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear payloads. The missile is an integral part of the Iskander-K missile complex, a cruise missile variant of the broader Iskander system. The Iskander system, in both its Iskander-K and Iskander-M configurations, is widely recognized for its exceptional performance. These missiles have proven highly effective at penetrating enemy air defenses, delivering precise strikes against strategic targets. The origins of the 9M729 can be traced back to the highly regarded 3M14 caliber naval missile, which has been redesigned and optimized for land-based launch. Design changes include an elongated airframe, providing extra space for fuel and dramatically extending its operational range. While Western assessments estimate the missile's effective range at between 2,000 and 2,500 kilometers, its performance demonstrated in Ukraine has exceeded these expectations. The missile travels at a subsonic speed of approximately Mach 0.8 and, importantly, maintains an extremely low flight altitude, almost skimming the terrain to avoid radar detection. The combination of speed and stealth inherent in the 9M729 makes it extremely difficult, if not impossible, to intercept most short and medium-range air defense systems. SSC-8 strikes achieve remarkable precision against fixed targets such as airbases, power plants, and command hubs, with each hit serving as a statement of power and technological superiority. Each Iskander-K launcher can carry 4 9M729 missiles, doubling the payload capacity of the ballistic launcher and, most importantly, can be redeployed very quickly thanks to its road mobile configuration. This mobility is a key asset. Russian units can easily launch missiles, relocate, and conceal themselves before enemy counterfire or airstrikes can respond effectively. This creates a major dilemma for adversaries, forcing them to constantly play cat and mouse with this highly adaptive system. To date, Russia has relied on air-launched Kh-101 cruise missiles, as well as Caliber missiles launched from surface warships and submarines. All of these weapons, including the 9M728 and 9M729, are subsonic. However, compared to other land-based options, the 9M729 offers Russia significant strategic advantages. The missile can be launched from deeper locations within Russian territory, far from the front lines, minimizing risk to valuable assets. The system is also highly mobile, making it relatively easy to relocate and conceal. The ability to strike from multiple locations and directions makes it extremely challenging for Ukraine's already overstretched air defenses, forcing them to thinly spread their limited resources. The use of the 9M729 by Russia also serves as a clear and unequivocal message to NATO countries in Europe. Most of their territories are within the assumed range of this missile, reminding them of Russia's ability to project power and defend its interests. This is a strong geopolitical statement, not just a military one. Interestingly, this reported use of the 9M729 comes amid Kyiv push for the United States to supply them with Tomahawk cruise missiles. While the Tomahawk is a capable cruise missile, it is a complex system with strict integration requirements. Ukraine would face significant challenges in integrating the Tomahawk into its existing military infrastructure, training personnel to operate it, and ensuring a steady supply of spare parts and ongoing maintenance. Most likely, even if Ukraine succeeds in acquiring Tomahawks, the implementation process would be prolonged and may not be fully successful, given the system's complexity and high logistical demands. Meanwhile, Russian missiles continue to operate with proven efficiency. So, with its undeniable advantage in range, precision, payload capacity, and mobility, is the SSC-8 preparing for more frequent appearances, potentially replacing other Russian missiles? That's all for today's episode, and thanks for watching.